So we're removing the engine, and in order to remove the engine, we need to take the front end off. Did you think about it?
I have to think of a good idea. Well, hold on, wait.
Right. Well, I'll start working as you like.
Yeah.
You just run away to it.
Yeah.
You start coming. That's strong.
And that's how you pull a bumper off.
Right, Andrew, we need to remove this headlight. So first you pull this plug and then pull it out.
How to remove a rear bumper? Today we are doing a wiper delete on this nice Peugeot Q7. Voila!